there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to part 5 of the Meg Dress Sew Along and tutorial sponsored by Sly Fox Fabrics. Today we are finishing up the entire dress. Finishing it. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to hem it and we are going to work on the lining. Don't be afraid. We're almost done. It's time to work on the lining and the hem. So what we're going to do now that we finished our zipper is we're going to pull the lining down and pin it in place along the center back and waist seam. The waist seam allowance should be pressed up toward the bodice and the lining should cover it. You're going to sew the lining to the main seam allowance by hand. Next thing we need to do is we want to press it. Now why are we saying to hand stitch? Well, the important thing about hand stitching is it just makes it look nice. We want a nice finished professional look in this hand stitch. If you're careful about it, this hand stitch will give it that clean professional look. Now if you haven't hemmed, you can do that now. Now you can press all of it, and the only thing left to do is to try on your new dress. Your dress is officially completed. So now all you have to do is put that dress on, go outside or in some very well lit room and take some photos and show us what you've done. Be sure to join us on Facebook and post your photos of your completed Meg dress. We love seeing what our community makes. So never stop sewing and never stop growing. And thank you for joining us on this Meg dress sew along and tutorial. And a big thank you to Sly Fox Fabrics for being such a wonderful sponsor. I will see you next time. Bye.